Today I'm going to show you how to check Telegram channel members quickly and easily, whether you're using Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web. This is a super useful trick if you want to see who has joined your channel, manage your audience, or simply verify your subscriber count. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram Desktop app on your computer, or if you prefer, visit the Telegram web portal in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, look at the chat list on the left side of the screen and select the channel you want to check. Make sure you choose the correct channel if you manage more than one, because the members list will only appear for the channel you open. After that, go to the top of the chat window and click on the channel's name or the profile picture. This opens the channel information panel, where Telegram shows details about the channel, including its description, notifications, and member-related options. In that side panel, look for an option like Manage Channel or Subscribers. Depending on the version of Telegram you're using, the wording may be slightly different, but the goal is the same. This is where you can access your channel's member information. Click it, and Telegram will take you to the member or subscriber section. Now here's an important detail. If your channel has fewer than 200 members, Telegram will usually display a scrollable list of member profiles. That means you can actually browse through the people in your channel and see individual member accounts. This is very helpful for smaller communities where you want a more detailed view of your audience. If your channel has more than 200 members, Telegram may not show the full member list in the same way, but you can still view subscriber information and channel stats, depending on your permissions. In some cases, you may need to use Telegram's analytics or admin tools to get a clearer picture of your audience size. If you're an admin, this method is especially useful because it helps you monitor your channel growth and keep track of your subscribers more effectively. And if you're just checking your own channel, it's a fast way to confirm how many members you have without needing any third-party tools. So, to recap, open Telegram, select your channel, click the channel name at the top, then open Manage Channel or Subscribers, and if the channel has fewer than 200 members, you'll see the member list right there. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.